Hey guys, so I got this morning and I was saying that I was super excited, and I've actually cut it so that it's much easier to open. I'm going to open it now. Chose this lovely spot by the sun. Okay, watch this. Zoom into this a little bit. I open it. Love the blue tissue paper. Oh, look at that box. There's apparently certificates that you should look at that. Wow, this is like thick. Oh, ooh, got a Polaroid. It says that you could win 15% off your next purchase. Okay. It's the booklet that they... Wow. It says, first page has the certificate of authenticity. Whew. That's nice. Natural elements of gold, platinum. It's been coveted for thousands of years due to their unique qualities. Very pretty. It's very nice. Yes. And how to care for your products, pretty nice too. Anyways, and the founders, the team, pretty nice. Okay. And a little pouch to hold it. Nicely packaged. Very nice. Open. Oh, it's so cute. It's tiny. A little pouch to hold it. Okay. Now I don't want to drop it onto the rocks, so I'm just going to be really careful. It's wrapped into a little piece of paper. Little piece of white paper. With red on it. It's interesting. So delicate. So precious. See that? So what it is, most people don't know what it is. It's actually an ear cuff. So the wind's blowing it away. Flip it here. Shiny. So my first ever expensive purchase of jewelry. I chose this for practical reasons because I don't normally wear bracelets and rings. I need to save up on that. So I thought this one. I'm gonna try to put it on my ear. Okay. It's a bit fiddly. I think it's this way. No, it's not this way. I've never worn an ear cuff like this. I think it's this way. This way. Wait, I think I got the hair in the way. How about I try and do it on yours? And then I can know how to do it on mine. now that I can see it. I think it's like this. Yeah, that's how you do it, I think. I thought it was supposed to be on the top of my ear. What do you think? You see it now? Yay! So yeah, I didn't expect that it would take that long to figure out how to put it on, but I got it on. Yes! So my first ever investment jewelry. Thank you for watching.